was driving just a few minutes ago and I noticed that my check engine light came on in my car. Hey guys, it's Claire from Clarified Creations. Happy 8th day of Vlogmas. It's crazy how fast the Christmas season is going. Only 4 more days until Christmas. I am so excited. But anyways, back to reality here. Today I'm going to be going to my grandparents' house and spending some time with them. I have to still brush my hair and put my lovely contacts in. So I'm gonna do that now, but first I want to show you that I made my bed. So we're already off to a really good start. Ta-da! Nothing too fancy, but I did make it, so I'm very proud of myself for that. Now on to the finishing up the getting ready process. One down, one more to go. I have finished putting in my contacts. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair really quick, and then I will be ready. Several minutes later, my hair is brushed, my contacts are in, and I'm ready to hit the road. So come on. I'm in the car and I'm about to start driving, and I will see you when I get there. I made it to my grandparents, as you can see, and I'm wearing my very festive Rudolph reindeer antlers. I will show you their Christmas tree that I helped decorate. I hope you enjoyed that quick little Christmassy tour of their house. Hello! Come say hi!
No.
I'm back in the car and I just came home to my house from my grandparents. We went to Hobby Lobby and I hope you guys really liked the train set that my grandpa set up. He worked really hard on it, so I did get some footage of that, which you saw back a little bit. I'll show you guys what I got at Hobby Lobby a little bit later, but for now I'm going to go inside and unpack everything. I was driving just a few minutes ago and I noticed that my check engine light came on in my car, which is really weird because it's never came on before. The car was just worked on probably 3 or 4 days ago, so I'm not really sure what's going on, so I'll have to ask my dad about that. But apparently the car got new brakes and a new transmission or engine or some other car thing that I don't really know all about. I'm not an expert, as you can see. I'm back again with my lovely antlers. Are you ready for my very lengthy haul of 4 things? We went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up 3 ornaments. They were having a really good holiday decor sale. They had 66% off all of their holiday decorations. I was like, wow, that was a really good steal. And I picked up a few things for my friends and I got one thing for myself. The first ornament that I got was this really pretty book ornament. I really love it and I think it's going to be perfect for one of my friends because she really likes to read and so do I. And since I like to read as well, I got one for myself. They were originally $7.99, but I got them on sale for only like $2.50, which is crazy. Finally, the last ornament that I picked up was this really pretty macaroon ornament for another one of my friends. Yeah. They look so cute, and I figured since she's taking French, she might appreciate this little whimsical ornament. This was also only about $2.50. The last thing I got, we actually went to Ingles to pick up some very exciting cheese. Provolone, if you are wondering. I purchased 2 of these batteries. They're just the size D. Got right here. For only $2.20. And I just needed those to put some lights outside. I'm actually going to go put some more lights out 4 days before Christmas. I will probably be showing you our family Christmas tree later. Make sure to stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. New plans. I'm actually going to be playing ping pong with my dad for a few minutes, and I will show you guys what that is like. We get pretty competitive, which you will see in the next few minutes. Well, I just finished playing ping pong, and I still lost all 4 games. My dad won 4, and I won 0, unfortunately. But it was a good game. Now to set up the Christmas lights. I managed to get the lights turned on. The batteries work. I'm gonna put these lights on the tree. Let's get festive. That's a little sad. Maybe I can try and figure something else out. Well, everyone, unfortunately, the light situation did not get any better. I'll show you guys. Just, it's a little sad still. That's pretty much the extent of our lights. As I mentioned earlier, I was going to show you guys our Christmas tree, so here it is. I will take you around to show you some of my favorite ornaments on our tree. On the day before Thanksgiving, I actually decorated this entire tree by myself because my mom was busy preparing Thanksgiving dinner. Some of the most meaningful ornaments are the handmade ones on this tree. For instance, this one was made when I was 6 years old, and it's just a really nice memory of childhood because sometimes you need that in your Christmas life. I also really love all of the precious moments on our tree. Here we just have a little Christmas. It's so cute. There's a little officer. Is that a bunny rabbit? I think that's a bunny rabbit. An angel. I also really like the ornaments that remind us of the real reason behind Christmas. So this cross we got several years ago. This other ornament by Jim Shore just shows the Christmas manger scene, which I think is really cool. Those are a few of my favorite ornaments. I definitely have quite a few more, but I'm sure I'm not gonna be able to show you all of them. There's just way too many to go through on that. Look how pretty the backdrop is behind me. Oh, I really love the Christmassy decorations behind me. It just makes the video so much more special. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you're new around here, make sure to go ahead and click subscribe to join the Clarified Creations family. I'm going to be making a bunch more videos. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and I will see you guys later. Bye!